Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of our vlog. And for today's video, nakahanap na naman tayo ng toy. It's not a toy, it's an activity sa Walmart clearance section! Yay! Oh, he's excited. Anyway, let's show them first, okay? So, we got this for $9.48, which was $12.97 before. So, Walmart clearance section. It is called Hello Wonderful Handprint Art Album. 18 keepsakes to capture the year. So, it's 32 pieces inside. Everything is included. There are 2 chipboard covers, 18 handprint pages, 2 About Me pages, 17 colors, a twine, 1 marker, 1 faceplate, and instructions. And it also says, warning, it has a choking hazard or small parts included. This is for ages 3+, so appropriate para kay Zion. And what good about this is yung bonding na maka-form nyo ng mga anak nyo, anong mapamangkin nyo, or ng mga kids and another kid. So, I was planning to invite one friend ni Zion to do this activity. Pero since hindi na makahintay si Zion, we'll do it together. And then hopefully, maka-join sa atin yung friend ni Zion in the near future. So, this is what it looks like inside. Okay? So, ang ganda lang kasi yung color niya is a coloring pad. So, hindi siya messy. Hindi siya watercolor. Hindi siya nagagamit ng water. So, makakasigurado tayo na mess-free ang lahat. So, keep on watching, guys. Ayan. So, bubuksan na natin, guys. So, sirain na lang natin. Alright, so may mga instructions pala siya. So, this is made from recycled materials and we're saving a ton and we're helping the Mother Nature by using recyclable materials. So, kaya sa clearance section din ako bumibili ng mga toys. Kasi nga, diba, kaysa matapon, tayo na lang ang bumili. Okay, so our set includes, ito na nga yung sinasabi nila na yarn. Diba, let's show them first, anak. Yarn, tapos yung mga coloring pads, a pen. I'll help you, anak. And that's it. So, what colors do we have? Tell them what colors we have.
Green.
Show them green. Okay, set aside here. Can you put it here? Okay, and then this one, show them.
Red.
I think that's orange, anak.
Orange.
And then this one.
And red.
And this one.
Orange.
I think that's yellow.
Yellow.
This one.
Purple and blue.
And this one.
Black.
Brown.
Brown.
And this one.
Purple.
Yep. So we have a lot of colors. And I think this is a pen. So let's set this aside.
Okay.
And a yarn. Antay mo na. Okay. So, meron siyang instruction sa loob ng box, guys, pag binili nyo. So, teka lang, anak. May faceplate, front ng album, cover sheet, back cover, back of album. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So, my handprint album. Ito muna, lalagay muna natin. Oh no! Okay. Wait lang. Okay. So, let's put this. So, tatanggalin natin tong adhesive tape. Lalagay natin to kasi ito ang magsisilbing cover ng handprint album ni Zion. Okay. What's your name, anak?
Zion.
Zion. Elijah.
Dito. Orange.
How old are you?
Zion.
How old are you?
Zion.
3 years old.
Wait.
What is your favorite color?
Red, orange. Mommy. This
Okay.
circle.
Okay, let's answer this later. Mag-color muna tayo, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, wait.
So, may the end na dito.
Look.
Follow this guide. So, may mga guide naman siya. Okay, may guide. Okay. Ito, New Year. Ayan, okay. Alright. So,
Fireworks.
this is for New Year. Fireworks. And it says here, lalagyan natin ng color blue na kamay. Okay, so, let's open the color blue.
This.
See, anak, dito, ilalagay mo yung kamay mo dito. Like this. Puput mo yung kamay mo in the middle, okay? Alright, give me your this one. Ito lang, isang kamay lang. Ha? They're still covered. Okay. Ganun. Open wide, open wide. So, i-color natin ang heads ni Zion. So nga pala, pinaghugas ko na siya ng kamay. Ito pala, pinaghugas ko na siya ng kamay before this activity.
Wait.
Tayo mo na, no? Tayo mo na. Medyo hindi nga lang siya kumukulay ng ganong kaganda, pero okay na rin naman.
Wait. Finish na.
Okay. Alright. Ay, ito pa na. Tatabihin sa'yo. Ganto, anak, ha? Lagay sa middle, ha? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah! We'll see kung ano itsura ng kalalabasan.
Wait.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Remove. Medyo light lang yung color na, guys. Pero, ayan. Nakuha naman yung kamay niya. Wow! Look at your hand. Next.
Next, yellow.
Oh, yellow. Ang yellow, yung may trophy. Gusto niya yung yellow. So, gusto ni Zion ng yellow color. So, pipiliin natin tong trophy. Okay. So, ganito yung gagawin mo, anak, ha? And it says, Happy Father's Day! So, ganito, ilalagay mo yung kamay mo dun sa kabila.
Okay. Wait, dito.
Okay.
Yellow.
Oh, pwede din naman dyan na lang sa may blue para maraming colors. Cover natin. Dito. Ayusin na lang natin to. Mas makulay yung yellow in fairness.
It's green.
Oh, it became green because yellow plus blue
And green.
is equals to green. Okay. I think we're ready. 1, 2, 3! Didiin na natin para dumikit.
Hey!
Yan. 2, 3.
Yeah.
Nice! Look at that color, guys. Ang ganda. Nakakatuwa. See? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, and
Oh, which one next na gusto ni Z? Yung may blue? Blue?
no. Cover yellow.
Oh, let's cover yellow. Next color. Which one do you like? This one, love? Color
No,
red?
I want rainbow.
You want rainbow?
Yeah.
Where's the St. Patrick's Day? This one. Okay, so this time, lalagyan mo siya ng mga bilog na. Ganyan kasi yung style niya, mga moms. Yan, may mga bilog-bilog. So, lalagyan ka ni Mami ng multiple colors.
Mommy, it's not a little slow.
Yeah. So, ganito lang yun, anak.
No.
Ganito. 1. Ganito. 5. Oo. Yan. Yeah. Nice. baby will have blue. Come on. We'll have blue here. We'll put blue. Wow! And another blue.
The rainbow.
Yes. What about yellow? Let's try
Cover.
yellow. Okay, let's cover.
Cover red.
Okay. Okay, let's try yellow. Where do we want? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put there? Yellow? Wow! And then another one. Can you put it there? Okay, go. Wow! And another one there. Wow! You make it your full finger. Yan. Nice!
I want green one.
Green one. Okay.
This.
Okay. Nakakatuwa siya guys kasi na-enjoy ni Izzy mag-color. Okay, which one? This one? Mahirap na yun na kaya mo? Or your other finger na lang?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got the green.
Green. Here we go.
Green.
Wow! One more? Can you try one more? Okay.
Look green.
Look at that, guys! Ang galing ni Zayo!
I want purple.
Purple. Okay. Which one? Oh, look. Ay mo na. Look, which one? Siguro yung ano na lang. Color. Oh, it should be your fingers para masaya.
No.
Or, teka lang, let's try purple. You want? Or orange?
Orange.
Let's try orange. Okay. Oh, color mo yung kamay mo. You want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Diba na? Tumigil natin para kumulay. Okay. Alright. We'll do this. 1, 2, 3, go! I think it's okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ganda. And let's try purple. Let's try purple dito sa kabila. Purple. Oh, it's not coloring anymore. I wonder why. Siguro medyo ano na nga siya, matagal na siya sa shelf.
Gimme.
Sa shelf, kaya...
Gimme.
Okay. Kaya medyo dry na yung color niya. Oh, but it's coloring well.
Look.
Oo nga, anak eh. Okay, baka basa-basa lang yung kamay ni Z. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Done.
Okay. Wow!
This.
Finish na to, anak. Ito lang dalawa. Okay, let's choose another one.
Okay. I want like a rainbow.
Green. You put the leaves of the pineapple. Ito muna, green. Nasaan ang green?
Where?
Put green sa fingers. Ang dami ng kulay ng kamay niya. Okay. Ang bilis naman nun, anak.
Wait, apple. Wait,
Okay.
done.
Yay!
Mommy, like this.
Like this. Okay. Tinuruan pa ako ng anak ko. Wow! What about 4th of July? What color do you want to use?
Fireworks.
Fireworks? You want to try brown?
No.
What?
Easy.
Yeah, Yeah, that's why you need to put your hand para magkaroon ng style yung 4th of July. That's why it's missing.
Oh? Green? I think the green.
I think it's brown.
Where's the green? Where's you? No.
Okay. Okay, put your finger na there. Put your hand. Put your hand. Wow!
Where's green?
Green? Nasaan ang green?
Find it.
Oh.
Mommy, cover.
Okay. Ano pa? What color do you want to use?
Whee!
Ayun na, inistampan niya na. Huwag mong aksayahin, anak. It should be for the fingers. Oh, yes. Ayan na nga po ang ginagawa ng bata. So, guys, masaya siyang gawin kasi it looks like ano siya, 12 months of the year na i-compile mo siya in one binder. So, kaya meron siyang dalawang hardbound kasi dito mo ilalagay yung beginning niya and then yung 12 months of the year and then meron siyang ending din, the end, na ilalagay mo naman dito sa last page. So, ang ganda niya lang. So, habang na-busy yung bata at nagko-color, lagay na natin yung ending niya. Kaya din pala may yarn to keep it together. Yan. Yan ang magiging ganyan yan. Mga moms, so ito yung beginning and then end. Tapos ilalagay natin yung mga nagawa ni Z. Like this. Pineapple. Tapos, Mother's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Father's Day. And then now, gawa niya 4th of July. So, napaka-colorful ng 4th of July.
Hey!
I'll give you another one, anak. What about this?
Butterfly.
Can you put the wings of the butterfly? Ganun, anak ko. Wings of the butterfly. Come on. So, mauuna ang New Year. Ay. Di ba May 2? Ang ganda lang. So, yan. Ayan na. Meron na siyang keepsake, kumbaga. May memories na siya na nung 3 years old siya, nag-color siya ng ganito. Ayan. Ayan, mga mamshi. So, kinulayan niya na ng mga ganyan. So, okay lang naman. Hindi naman tayo perfect. Hindi naman tayo perfectionist na kailangan talaga kamay. You can use anything na pwede nyong kulayan. Like, for example, sa Pilipinas, ang ginagawa namin nung elementary kami, yung okra, hinahati namin, then you put color, and then you can just do it as a stamp. Pwede rin yun. And, pwede rin yung patola, ginagamit din namin yun. Or leaves. Yung mga dried leaves, pwede nyo siyang kulayan, and then you can put it dito sa paper. Yan, i-stamp nyo sa paper to make it like your art. Pero, much better kung handprint kasi that's what this activity is all about. Like, your handprint kasi ito yung magiging memorabilia nyo or magiging memorabilia ng anak nyo when they grow up. You can show it to them na, hey, we did this activity together. So, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you find this sa Walmart, I suggest na bumili kayo ng dalawa so that you can invite friends over, hindi lang para may extra kayo, kumbaga. Kasi ito, nagawa na namin together. So, I was thinking of going back sa Walmart to get another one para mag-i-invite kami ng friends niya and then they can do the stamping together. And I think more color, more fun. So, if you have, if you have another color like watercolor, you can also do that. Pero make sure na hindi masyadong messy, or you can prepare the area where they will do the art para hindi masyadong maging messy ang lahat. And there we have it! Meron na tayong book ng mga art ni Zion. And then, this is the last part. So, first, and then his all abouts, and then his handprints, and then this one. The end. Alright. Beauty. Okay guys, I hope you like our art for today. I hope you like our video. Hit the like and notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos namin ni Zion. Kita-kits tayo sa next Walmart clearance section haul na makikita natin and ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat guys. See you! Bye!